Imagine something urgent happens and your phone is locked. No one can reach your family. In emergencies, every second counts. Let's fix that right now. Hello and welcome back to Senior Safe Tech. Today, we will set up one of the most essential features on your phone, adding an emergency contact. This isn't just another technical trick, it's about safety, protection, and peace of mind. Think about it. You feel dizzy while shopping and someone wants to help. You trip during a walk and a stranger finds your phone. Or maybe you're at home alone and can't speak, but your phone is nearby. In all these cases, having an emergency contact set up means your loved ones can be reached immediately, even if your phone is locked. It's like carrying a little lifeline in your pocket. Did you know, every year, thousands of emergencies happen where a phone is found, but no emergency contact is set up. That means help is delayed because no one knows who to call. Sometimes, minutes are lost searching for family, and in an emergency, those minutes truly matter. Many people don't realize this setting exists. Without it, helpers may spend precious minutes guessing your password or unlocking your phone. With it, they can immediately call your spouse, child, or neighbor, and that speed can make all the difference. On iPhone, 1. Open the Health app. 2. Tap your profile, then Medical ID. 3. Tap Edit, scroll to Emergency Contacts. 4. Add someone from your contacts. 5. Save now from the lock screen. Anyone can tap emergency and call that person, no password needed. If this is helpful so far, go ahead and tap that like button. It lets me know you'd like more videos just like this. On Android, 1. Open Settings. 2. Tap Safety and Emergency. 3. Select Emergency Contacts. 4. Add someone you trust. Again, this makes their number reachable straight from your lock screen. Here's another helpful feature. On both iPhone and Android, you can also add medical information, like allergies, medications, or conditions. This way, if paramedics or a helper find your phone, they can see important health details instantly and know exactly how to help. It's like carrying a small medical card, but always inside your phone. Here's a quick exercise for you. Right after this video, lock your phone, tap Emergency, and check what shows up. If there's no contact listed, that means it's time to set it up today. Please, don't wait for an emergency to find out it's missing. Tips: pick someone who answers quickly, maybe a spouse, adult child, or close neighbor. Add more than one contact for backup. Test it, lock your phone, tap Emergency, and ensure it works. Update if someone changes their phone number. In just a few minutes, you can set up something that could save your life. It's quick, simple, and essential. Don't wait. Add your emergency contact today. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to Senior Safe Tech, and share it with someone you care about. Stay confident, stay connected, and enjoy the digital world. It's yours too.